We got numbers. You know what numbers means?
No.
It means we're live.
Oh.
I'm trying a new handheld thing that I bought for like 15 bucks over at Amazon. So you guys give me feedback if the videos are shaky tonight. But this is Rich Jr. Dun, dun, dun. And he and I won in a yacht race. I know it sounds impressive, but our yachts were about 4 inches long.
What's this he and I?
He and I? You and I. I said he and I?
You said he and I. I think that was right.
He and I. Is that right? That's correct English.
But oh, you did win something, didn't you?
Yeah, I did win something. He won for the fastest boat.
I think you won, what was it? Funniest?
I don't like to talk about it.
Okay.
And I won too. So here we go. We're going to go for an adventure. A little risky for me, in my opinion, because my New Jersey experience so far is only with the Salem County Fairgrounds, and they weren't too happy to see me. They thought I was a tax man. Let's hope they don't think that again. I haven't even got my badge on yet, but it's getting made, guys. All right, you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
I know you're excited about the badge, aren't you?
The badge?
Never mind.
Oh, boy.
See, good video. That was good. Let's go. We're getting into Volkswagen. Ooh.
See how he likes this?
No, I'm happy. You're driving me. How can I complain, right? Exactly. Beggars can't be choosers. All right, look how cool Rich is with this. What is that? What is the app called, Rich? You know what the app is? Dashboard?
Kiwi OBD?
Kiwi OBD. He's like, flip it for him. Show him the other screen, will you? Look at this. This is him monitoring his Volkswagen as we're going. How old are you?
32.
32? You're pretty high tech for a 32-year-old.
Meh.
Yeah, I think so. That's pretty cool. All right, we're almost there.
I was still got another 20 minutes or so.
Another 20 minutes? This is dedication, I'll tell you. This is true dedication. Hope there's some Mustangs there. I'm going to get in trouble. Wait, what's the name of this place?
Royal Farms.
Royal Farms?
Royal Farms.
Royal Farms. They have Krispy Kremes. They got like automated stuff in here, and they got the best chicken I've ever heard of, they say. They say they're willing to wait an hour and a half in line for Royal what?
Farms.
Royal Farms chicken. Try it. You want to say anything?
No, we're good.
He's a man of few words. What is your name?
Ty.
Ty?
Yes.
All right, Ty. Ty said that she likes these glasses because I all blend. What do you got?
They all blend. It just blends together like the look.
I'm gonna turn the camera around and
hat,
let them figure it out.
The hat.
Yeah.
The police
It
uniform,
works?
Like,
Is it working for me? Is it?
Yes.
And she's 20, guys. Can you believe it? Ay, ay, ay. All right, here we go. Actually, well, it's kind of a Smoking the Bandit thing going on, and I actually think I'm too over the top for 10 bucks. I don't know if I should do it. You think I should do it?
It's up to you. It's completely up to you. I can't tell you yes or no. I can't be like, you have to buy these glasses. They blend.
It's a Smoking the Bandit thing. You've never even seen Smoking the Bandit, have you?
No.
Oh my God! See how young she is? 20-year-olds haven't seen Smoking the Bandit. You have
My best friend.
You have to see Smoking the Bandit.
I'll look it up.
You'll see it?
I'll look it up.
All right, she's gonna see Smoking the Bandit. It's a cool. Oh, you got walkie-talkies too?
Here we're good.
They got walkie-talkies. Can I have your walkie-talkie?
No.
No, you're no fun.
You want me fired?
No, I don't. You did a great job. Didn't she? What's your name again?
Ty.
Ty?
All right, I'm just
T-Y.
telling
Ty.
Rich, I'm like, Rich, I've never done a show in the dark. And then he's telling me it's like a get-together. It's not really a show. And I'm thinking to myself, this is reminding me of the Palm Springs days when we used to get together, take a bunch of fast cars to a parking lot, and then we all drive and then drag race, which is illegal. Don't do it. Don't do it. And I'm pretty silly that I did it. I didn't drag race.
Especially with a police station right next to you.
Yeah, police station wouldn't be a good call. But we're now trying to find this place because it's near the police station in Voorhees. And I talked to my friend Anthony Aquilino. We're going to visit him later. He has a business on the USS New Jersey, which is a battleship, and it's emergency services because we used to be EMTs together. I'm definitely going to do a video on that. All right, you've probably seen a lot of talking head on these videos, the first two videos. I promise the next video clip will be of a car. Right?
I hope so.
One would hope, if we can find it.
Yeah.
Or it's gonna be a really boring, I won't be able to put these videos up if we don't make it to a car. Can't do it. Voorhees police. Whoa, man, this little Volkswagen's got some pep.